At the Supreme Court today, the biggest rulings of the year. First, whether President Trump can ban birthright citizenship by executive order, something he's been trying to do since his first day back in office.
Birthright, that's a big one.
Under Trump's order, children would not automatically be citizens if they are born to undocumented parents or parents in the U.S. temporarily.
I think it's very bad for our nation.
Even some of the conservative justices seemed skeptical during oral arguments in the spring.
How are we going to determine domicile? And do we have to do this for every single person?
Also today, the court will rule on whether states can ban transgender girls from playing on girls' sports teams. Currently, the Olympic Committee, the NCAA, and 29 states don't allow transgender women on women's teams. These two expected rulings coming after the Supreme Court tackled a host of other hot-button issues yesterday. First, a blow to Trump's push to restrict voting by mail. The justices ruled that ballots postmarked by Election Day can still be counted, even if they arrive up to 5 days later.
Since 2020, mail-in ballots have tended to lean Democratic. That is a change from the historical norms, and it's a change that's driven largely by Donald Trump persuading his supporters not to engage in mail-in balloting.
But a big win for Trump? The Supreme Court expanded his power over independent regulatory agencies, allowing Trump to fire FTC Commissioner Rebecca Slaughter. This ruling is being described as the greatest increase in presidential power in the last 100 years. But the court did limit President Trump's power over the Federal Reserve, for now rejecting his firing of Fed Governor Lisa Cook. Karen Hua, ABC News, Washington.